Retired U.S. Air Force test pilot and NASA astronaut General Joe Engle recalled the history and legacy of the famed X-15 rocket plane recently at a colloquium presentation at NASA's Dryden Flight Research Center. Engle, who became the only person to fly into space in both air and spacecraft, flew 16 hypersonic flights in the X-15 in the 1960s, flew the prototype Space Shuttle Enterprise during the approach and landing tests in 1977, and flew 2 orbital space missions on the shuttles Columbia and Discovery in the 1980s.
When people think of research rocket airplanes, when they think of research, they think of Dryden. And a lot of times they think of the X-15.
As an Air Force pilot assigned to the joint NASA, Air Force, Navy, and North American Aviation program, Engle flew the X-15 to an altitude of 280,600 feet, becoming the youngest pilot ever to qualify as an astronaut. He said the X-15 paved the way for the shuttles, giving engineers confidence that an unpowered spacecraft could glide to a safe landing on Earth, and validating the use of reaction controls later used on the shuttles, calling the rocket plane the ultimate flying machine. General Engle also toured current projects and facilities at NASA Dryden and got some backseat time in a NASA FA-18 during a pilot proficiency flight, visited the X-Corps aerospace facilities at the Mojave Air and Spaceport, and was honored at the Lancaster Jethawks baseball team's annual Aerospace Appreciation Night that weekend. Engle told Dryden employees that he was both honored and humbled to have had the privilege to test fly the X-15 and the shuttles at NASA Dryden.
Both the fact that you're working here at Dryden, where all the flight testing is done, all the real flight testing is done and will be. I can't tell you how thrilled I am, how honored I am, how humbled I am to get to come back here where the real flying goes on and where the real flying is still going on. And boy, I'll tell you, that means more to me than anything.
Still an active pilot at age 79, Engle has received numerous honors and awards during his lengthy flying career and has been enshrined in both the Astronaut Hall of Fame and the National Aviation Hall of Fame.